This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Darlene Bridget. Agents, make it an easy day and show this ONE1ST looks almost new. This is the popular Hawthorne model in sought-after Graystone reserves. Wood laminate flooring downstairs. Open floor plan with large living room that flows into spacious family room. The large kitchen has breakfast nook. Maple cabinets, granite countertops, center island and an oversized pantry. Sliding door that leads out to patio. Upstairs you will find large master bedroom with tray ceiling, 2 closets. The master bath has large soaker tub and separate shower. Double sink vanity. The other 2 bedrooms are good size, and then, there is an oversized rec/TV room west/closet could easily be a 4th bedroom. For added convenience, the laundry room is upstairs west/washer and dryer to convey. You can't miss the huge linen closet, playground and picnic area right across the street. For added peace of mind, seller offering 1-year home warranty.